man's journey to excellence is a lifelong pursuit. And mine started in the trenches. Creating content was the only thing that kept me going. So, why not create content for someone who's smarter than me? Sharpening my sword while working under someone. Learning on the job. I wasn't just mastering skills though. I was learning how to master myself. Who would have thought it? Just 1 year into committing myself to excellence, I'm catching flights to foreign lands and making lifelong memories with amazing people. But why stop there? This whole pursuit of excellence thing, it's really got a hold on me. I can't really imagine what life was like without it. That guy rotting away in his bedroom, he has no idea what he's missing out on. I wonder how far I can take this thing.
I'm here totally because of this man right here.
Leadership. Impact. Changing lives. This is what sets my heart ablaze. Showing young men what's waiting on the other side. The sleepless nights. Tossing and turning, because you know you're destined for more. All of the pain, all of the sacrifice, it is worth it. But what comes next? Video editing has changed my life, that is true. But what we're building here is so much bigger than video editing. A global movement of young men mastering the art of creativity, mastering content, and monetizing it and building lives of total freedom. A man's journey to excellence is a lifelong pursuit. And as you walk that path, you evolve. And so, it's time for that next step. And I'm bringing every single one of my students with me. The movement begins now.